We are back and we're doing another video on the BMW M3. It's going to be a less noticeable mod that we're doing today, but we're going to be installing these wheel studs here. Right, let's take a look inside this box. So these are the MMR studs, also known as MMX. I believe they're going under a rebrand. So first thing you'll see once you get in here is the studs and the nuts. So this is the main part of it. We are going to be replacing the bolts that are on the car with these studs. It goes in here, a wee bit of Loctite on there, put it in, and then this will be our nuts that we'll be using.
Now, why change to a stud and nut conversion? Well, basically it's to make taking the wheels on and off a lot easier, because you can actually put the wheel on the stud and rest it there. It also makes aligning the front wheels so much easier, because obviously they're not spinning around when you're trying to find where to put it. Typically, stud and nut conversions are actually used for racing cars. It's to kind of take the wheels on and off easier when you're nipping into the pit lane or something like that, just to change the wheels easier, make everything a lot nicer to kind of do. Now obviously this isn't a race car and I'm not doing any track events or anything like that. I just tend to change the wheels quite a lot.
So this is what we're going to be replacing with the stud. Basically the bolt goes in here like so, wheels go on. However, we're going to be putting in the stud, and the stud is going to live in here permanently. So then when we put the wheel on, it's so much easier to align it.
Now before fitting these studs, I need to clean the mating surface for the wheels just so it sits all flush, because BMWs, they're classic for just rusting around this area, so it's best to clean it up, get it nice and smooth as possible. I'm also using something abrasive and putting that on some pliers to put into the threads and try and clean them a bit, because I mean this car is from 2017, so it's got some miles on it, it's old, it's not the cleanest, so it needs them all cleaned out just so that when we put these new studs in, they have a nice surface to go onto. Now as you can see, I am using a medium strength Loctite. This is what was kind of recommended for it, so I'm just using that. We'll see how it gets on. If I need to change it, then I can just take them out and put on a higher strength Loctite. Once the Loctite's on, thread them in and we'll just let that set.
Now with these studs installed, you can see how much easier it's going to be once we do eventually put the alloys back on. Look at that, the nut just goes straight on the end, wheel can go on, nice and easy. Still need to torque these down, but look at that difference already. Just looks so much cooler, and also it is actually functional, which is the main reason I'm doing it, because I do take the wheels on and off quite a lot, so it is definitely handy to have. Just makes it look a bit more sort of race car JDM style. I really like it. But enough talking, let's get these torqued down and let's get on to doing the rest of them.
You show me how to dare to
I've now got both the front and the rear studs installed on this side of the car, and they are looking brilliant. They are both torqued down and everything, so everything should be good on this side. But over here, I have still got the old studs in here. Well, bolts as I should call these, because these are not studs. I've still got these over here, so we need to change this side now, which I'll probably just do off camera because there's no point showing you again, or I might just make a montage of it. Who knows? But as you can see over here, the difference it makes. I mean, these are still quite nice being silver because it just kind of, it's subtle, but it doesn't really look as good as what is over here. I think this just looks brilliant. It's a small touch, most people won't even notice it, but it's going to be cool. I like it. I like the little touches. So yeah, let's get the other side knocked out. Not sure where you guys get your gloves from, but if you have anywhere you recommend, definitely put it down in the comments below because I need some new ones. And that is us done installing the stud and nut conversion on the car. As you can probably not see from up there because you're too far away, it is all on, torqued up nicely, and it looks pretty good too. Overall, I'm really happy with how it's turned out. This is something I've been wanting to do for quite a while now, and I'm glad I've finally done it. I've still got loads more planned to do with this car, but if you want to see anything in particular, let me know, and I can see about trying to do it. Let me know down in the comments below if there's anything you want to see me do on this car. But anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.